in your experience with triggers, how does a guy identify their triggers, and how do we protect ourselves from our triggers? So how do we identify and how do we protect?
Yeah, so we walk through a process very, very early on of like really evaluating and auditing like the last, depending on where the guy is at, like, go back to the last 2 weeks, every time you've watched pornography, and this is kind of done in a meditative kind of journaling state. Where were you emotionally? Where were you environmentally? I think triggers go beyond just what we're seeing visually, right? Like a trigger for a guy could be the end of the day, worked long hours, just got back from the gym, had his post, workout meal, took a shower. Now he's kind of lying in bed, just getting ready, to go to sleep. Triggering type of environments, right? Because willpower is down, decision fatigue, you're kind of exhausted, you're just mindlessly scrolling through things. It's a triggering based environment. So I think it's understanding that it's going to be more than just what you see in the moment. Like you're not going to see a blonde chick walking down the street and then that's going to trigger. And it may, let me go watch some blonde pornography. It's what other things have you avoided doing? What other so here's a good one, right? Is like for the guys that are like saying they're committed to overcoming pornography. I'm trying to get this out of my life. I'm trying, but I keep failing. It's like, I don't understand why I'm failing. I think that guy needs to look at what other areas in your life are you saying things and then not doing them? Where are you saying that you're going to do something and then not following through? Like, are you hitting snooze every morning? Are you saying you're going to go to the gym, but you don't go? Are you saying you're going to follow a meal plan, yet when it gets late at night, you grab the bag of chips? If we're not walking in alignment with what we say, if there's cognitive dissonance, we say one thing and act in a different way. That may not be a trigger as way that most people would say it, but that's creating the type of man that doesn't do what he says he's going to do. So why would you actually want to, or why would subconsciously you actually succeed in quitting pornography? Our subconscious brain operates at 11 million data points per second. Our conscious brain operates at only 40. What does that mean to anybody? Nothing except there's an 11 million to 40 ratio of your world, how you see, how you act, and what you do that is controlled subconsciously versus consciously. Now, the goal of the subconscious is to make your belief systems match your reality. So if every day you're hitting snooze, if every day you're driving past the gym, yet you said you were going to go, that's you subconsciously telling yourself, Frank doesn't do the things that he says he's going to do. So when it's late night, you're tired, you're stressed, even though you said, I'm done with looking at pornography, something's going to scroll through the Instagram, something's going to scroll through the feed. Your subconscious is going to be like, you're a liar. You don't do the things you say you're going to do. So just go ahead and pull up the pornography. So I think getting underneath the triggers and understanding it's a lot more than what you're visually going to see. It's your mental state, it's your emotional state, it's walking alignment, it's environments is as well. I think those are things that most that we do that makes us successful because we're understanding like it's all these factors that are leading to it, not just what you're seeing on a screen.